All right, today we got ourselves the Japanese Pokemon expansion, Ruler of the Black Flame. This is the third expansion to Scarlet and Violet. There's 108 cards in the base set, and there's 33 other card variations, including the 3 ultra rares. And if you see in the front, this is the Charizard EX, and there's a ultra rare that is the Chase that looks just like that. But I'll be happy with some art rares, for sure. You got 30 boosters in here, and there's 5 cards per booster. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it open. Not an expensive booster box compared to some of the other ones, especially like the 151. That's nice. There's affordable sets like that. These all have this tab on the side. Our packs. And they have that same Charizard on the front. Packs. And here we have the pack. Nice artwork on the front. On the back you have the different amounts of cards and different, so you have super art rares, super rares, art rares, double rares. There's 8 of those, 10 rares, 34 uncommons, and then 56 commons. And they don't list here, but there's the 3 additional ultra rares. So let's go ahead and get these open. Check these out. All right, first we got a Pidgey there. There's sales of Vulpix. I'm not sure which one that is. Grevard maybe. And all uncommons. So there are no foil cards like you will see in the English set. Other than the ones that are already foil, like the EX cards and whatnot. Yeah, but Dolphin type Finn is in. And look at this, we got our first art rare. The Chunk. And I absolutely love these art rare cards. It's kind of the reason I collect these. So put that one aside. Next cards. Ooh, I kind of cheated there. We have Electric, and we have one of the rare cards. It's one of the trainers. And another trainer, Poppy. Rockruff. That's a nice common card. Mawheel, I think it's called. I like the artwork on that one. And just uncommons in that pack. So you're not guaranteed any rares or anything, like you will, again, expect in the English set. I kind of like that there's less junk in the pack since there's only 5. You usually get a lot of uncommons versus just a bunch of commons. And let me fix my focus a little bit there. go. And we just have a hat. Troll cap. We got a Cleffa. Again, I love the artwork on that one. Very cool. We have something. What's the next card? Got ourselves a rare. Ladle. I like that one. Shuckle. And we got ourselves another rare. This one is Toxicity. So we seem to be getting about a rare every 2 packs. Rare or higher. We'll have the full breakdown at the end of the video on what exactly we pulled. Yeah, look at that cutie. Ooh, and we got ourselves another art rare. This is Scizor. Love the dark reds on that. Very cool card. That makes me happy. Get 2 art rares. Now, if we pull the ultra rare, then this would have been a perfect break. Another Scizor there. Or that might be the, yes, it's got Scyther. So the pre-evolution. I'm correct there. Sure, all you Pokemoners will correct me. Looks like that one's running away from the Poke Hospital. Bonsley. Another Dolphin. Finn is in. Oops. And what do we got here? Oh, we got our first EX card. Double rare. And this is Pidgeot EX. Great sparkle all across the card. Very cool effect. And if you compare this to the English booster boxes, I think there's 24 packs in them. Obviously, you get more cards, but in this case, you get more packs. You get the 30 packs. And just uncommon on this one. Very cool Houndour, though. And we got another rare here. Dark Ray. Another uncommon. No rare in that pack. Another Claydol. Oh, that's a ball toy. That's the pre-evolution. And we got another rare here. This one is Scovillain. That's terrifying. Got ourselves a Charmander. Just an uncommon. And this should give us a rare or higher, probably. We're going by how consistent it's been. And we got ourselves an art rare, actually. Ninetales. This might be my favorite one so far. Illustrator Sai Nanahara. Ooh, and we got the one of the Charizard EXs. It's not the ultra rare, but it is the EX card. That's probably a pretty good hit. Either way, I'm happy to get it. Very cool looking card. Nice. Nice. So far, no complaints on this box break. I mean, you're still probably better off buying the cards individually, but I just enjoy opening up the packs. And since I can record them, throw them up on YouTube, people can get an idea of what to expect. We have Ortega, at least that's the English trainer name. Oh, and we got another double rare. Tyranitar. Love the sparkle effect. So now I think that brings us to 3 double rares. And another rare. Thunderous. And we got about 10 packs left. Another Pidgey. Another Clefairy. Oops. Knock the camera. Try that again. We got a Cleffa and another rare. Inte, I believe it's pronounced. That's one of the legendaries. Refix the focus here too. Ball toy. And we got just an unrare. Yeah, Trainer Rhyme. I believe we have 6 packs left. Still a few rares and maybe our rares that we might be pulling here. Another dolphin type. And we got ourselves another double rare. Revavroom EX. The Charmander. Oh, and we got a super rare. We actually pulled one of the super rares. Very nice. This is Askew. The one with an ice brick for a head. That's probably one of the other hits of the box. Pidgey, Houndour, sorry, that's not, it is Houndour. Another Troll Cap. Shuggle. And just uncommon in there. Last 2 packs. At least one of these packs should give us another rare or higher card. Unless we already burnt all our luck. We have a Charmeleon. All right, so last pack. Can we pull that ultra rare or a super art rare? Actually, I don't think there is any super art rares in this box. What will we get? Moment of truth, and it's just an uncommon. So we did burn all our luck on the previous packs. All right, here's our breakdown of what we got. Ended up with 150 cards total. 135 of those were just common and uncommons. And here we can see the 7 rares. And finally, we have the 4 double rares, the super rare, and my favorite, the 3 art rares. But that's all we got for today. Till next time.